students, are you enjoying learning about our country India? You must enjoy. I hope that you all have learned the capital of all Indian states. Yes, have you learned? Very good. Now, firstly, let's recall all the neighboring countries. Okay, so recall with me, what are the neighboring countries? Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Yes, these are the neighboring countries. These are the countries that share their borders with India. And now let's recall the position of India. India is located in the southern part of Asia. Yes, in the west of India we have an Arabian Sea. In the east we have Bay of Bengal. In the south we have Indian Ocean. And in the north we have Himalayas. Yes, everybody knows. Students, we know that there are 4 directions. Yes, what are they? East, west, north and south. Here is north, south, east and west. Okay, so we have divided all these states in these 4 directions. Here in this video we are going to revise all the northern and eastern states of India. Okay, and we will solve our sheet number 1, which is given on page number 29. Okay students, yes, so we already know that India is divided into many states. Yes, they all are part of our country. Now students, see, there are many states in the northern and eastern side of India. Okay, the part which is highlighting here in these maps are the north and the east. Okay, this is a north part and this is a east part. Okay, in the north, the Himalayas mountain range run through Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. Okay, these are the states which comes in a north part. Okay, what are these states? Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Haryana, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. So these are the north states. And east states, these are Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Assam, Nagaland, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Odisha. These states are come in the east side of India. Okay. Now students, is it clear what states come in the north side, in the north direction, and which states come in the east side, means east direction. Okay, now students, let's try to solve our volume sheet number 1, which is based on the north side states and east side states. Okay, in volume sheet number 1, we have some clues. With the help of them, we have to recognize the name of the state. So, our first clue is, I am in the northernmost tip of the country. China is to my west. In the winter, I am covered with snow. Who am I? So, students, northernmost means the uppermost. Can you see the yellow part? Can you see the yellow part? This is the uppermost, the northernmost tip of our country. Yes, we know that where is China? So China share its border with this state. So can you tell me what is the name of this state? Yes, it is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Now students, see, in your book it is given as a Jammu and Kashmir. But last year some changes occur in the map of our country. See, the Jammu and Kashmir after the Article 370A has divided into 2 parts. Okay, the first is Jammu and Kashmir and the second is Ladakh. Okay, do you want to see how? This is a new map of our country India. Okay, as you can see here, the Jammu and Kashmir is in purple color and the second part is the Ladakh, which is in the green color. Okay, so this change occurred last year in the map of our country. Okay, and if you have doubt, then you can ask me also. So now let's move towards the second clue. People call us the Seven Sister States. Myanmar and China are our neighbors. Students, the seven northeastern states of India popularly are known as Seven Sisters. The highlighted part of the map with red color is known for the Seven Sisters. The seven states come in the Seven Sisters. What are they? They are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. These all states are known for the Seven Sister States. Okay? The third clue is the Bay of Bengal is to my east and Chhattisgarh lies to my west. The name of the capital state with B. I am known for the Sun Temple. Who am I? Now students, just remember it. Which capital name starts with B? Yes, it is a state, Odisha. Okay? As you can see here, the pink part in the map is a Odisha. This eastern state, which is lie next to the Chhattisgarh. It is near to the Chhattisgarh and its capital is Bhubaneswar, which starts with B. Okay, so the correct answer is Odisha. Okay, students. Next, fourth clue. I lies between Jharkhand and Bangladesh. The Bay of Bengal is to my south. People here celebrate Durga Puja. Students, do you know in which state Durga Puja is very popular? You can, with the name of Bengal, you can also recognize this state. This is Bay of Bengal. Okay, the red part which is highlighted is known as the West Bengal. Okay, now the fifth clue. I am close to the Himalayas. China is to my east, Nepal is to my southeast and Uttar Pradesh to my south. Which state it can be? It is very close to the Himalayas. It is the Uttarakhand. Okay, students. Now this state which is highlighted with the red color is the Uttarakhand. The Uttar Pradesh is in the south of the Uttarakhand. Yes. So we can write this is the Uttarakhand. Now next clue. I am big and have Nepal to my north and northeast. The name of my capital starts with L. I am famous for the Taj Mahal. Who am I? You should not have any problem in this clue. It is very easy. Which is a big state. Where do you live? In which state we live? Uttar Pradesh. Yes, this green part is a Uttar Pradesh. Okay, students. And the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, which starts from the letter L. And we have Taj Mahal also in Agra. Yes, is it clear? Now, next clue. Nepal lies to my north, Uttar Pradesh to my west, and Jharkhand to my south. My capital starts with P. Which state capital starts with P? Students, it is Bihar. Okay, you can see the red part, Bihar. And in the west of the Bihar, we have Uttar Pradesh. Yes, so, yes. And what is the capital of Bihar? It is Patna, which starts from P. Okay, so we can write. Bihar is the answer. Now, next clue. Jammu Kashmir is just above me. Punjab is to my southwest and Uttarakhand is my south. What is it? Just after the Jammu Kashmir, we have Himachal Pradesh. Okay, the yellow part which is highlighted is the answer of this clue. This is Himachal Pradesh. Okay, now students, next clue. lies between Bihar, Orissa, Chhattisgarh and West Bengal. My capital starts with R. Who am I? Which states lie between all these states? This red one. What is the name of this state? Which state capital starts with R? It is Ranchi. Yes, starts with R. And Ranchi is the capital of which state? It is Jharkhand. Okay, this red part is a Jharkhand. Now, next clue. I lies in the north between Punjab, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Which state lies there? It is Haryana. Okay, so it is between. So the Haryana is in between the Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Yes, and the answer is Haryana. Next one. I lies to the northeast of India. Nepal is to my west, Bhutan to my east and China to my north. I am really small. It is very small state. What it can be? This is the Sikkim. Students, can you see this color? Can you see this color part in the map? Yes, the orange part. It is very small state. Yes, and in the west of this state we have Nepal. In the east we have Bhutan, China at the north, and it is very small. So the answer is Sikkim. Okay, next clue. I lies in the northwest of India. Pakistan is to my west, Himachal Pradesh is to northeast and Haryana southeast. What it can be? See, which state shares the border with Pakistan, which is near to the Himachal Pradesh? It is Punjab. Okay, as you can see here, this state with red color is a Punjab and it shares its border with the Pakistan. So you can write the answer Punjab. So this was the last clue and we have solved all the puzzles of this sheet. I hope this is pretty clear to all of you and you can write the answers now by yourself. Okay students, your homework is you have to complete your volume sheet number 1 and revise the capital of all Indian states. Students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.